A data outage can happen for any number of reasons: natural disasters, accidental deletions, or even cyber attacks. This is why recovery is your most valuable asset. A well-documented, thoroughly tested recovery strategy is essential to restoring operations quickly and efficiently. But to achieve true enterprise resilience, organizations need the ability to define, test, and validate the recovery process regardless of the incident. Built on the backbone of Veeam Data Platform, Veeam Recovery Orchestrator empowers customers with the tools and capabilities needed to overcome these challenges. You can unlock a new level of resiliency by orchestrating failovers and recoveries to where your business needs it. Veeam Recovery Orchestrator supports not only VMware environments, physical agents, Microsoft Azure, but also includes added support for Microsoft Hyper-V. With cross-hypervisor recovery and migration capabilities, there's no need to worry about data not being available when you need it the most. To learn more about Veeam Recovery Orchestrator and the Veeam Data Platform, follow the link below.